So I was going to share my favorite cleaning supplies. I love Miss Myers, but I do live in Canada, so it is hard to find. So when I do find it, I do pick it up. And these were on sale. So I only paid $2 for them. So that's a good deal. And they're just stored beside my sink. This is under my sink. So I didn't organize nothing on it. So this is just how it is most of the time, except for the garbage bag there. But I just keep the detergent, and then we have the fume free for the oven to get cleaned once a month, and then garbage bags, recycling bags, garbage can bags, like the little bags. And it's just super simple. That's my super simple. And then these, I think they're Johnny hooks. I got them at a home, what did I get them? Oh, at a home show. And they've been there for years. And they hold, my son likes to use rubber gloves while doing the dishes. So those are for him. And then on this side I have, it's had like a hook to go on the rail for IKEA. And then I just put the paper towel there because we don't have space to. This is our only bathroom upstairs. So when I keep supplies, I keep them in here. So each kid has a drawer. And then this is like super simple. That's it. Keep it simple. That's it. Like these work really good to keep feminine protection in. Just hang off there. Easy to reach. And there's some face cloths downstairs to get washed. That's it. That's all that's under there. The lighting in here is not the greatest, but this is our linen closet. This is where all our towels fit in this shelf. That's it. That's it. This floor is really squeaky. So then this is where all the microfiber cloths go. All the green go in here, the orange go downstairs, and the teal go in the kitchen. And then I have just floor dusters, and then I use the Veleda floor mop. So all the floor extra ones are in there. And then these are like rags that if somebody needs to clean up a bad mess, they can just throw the rag out if it's really bad. And then my Tupperware sponges, which I used to sell Tupperware. And then the dog bath to bath the dog. And then this is our other cleaning caddy of like extra stuff. So there's extra gloves back there. There's some Comet, some floor stuff that I don't usually use a lot. And then I have Thieves in a spray bottle that hangs off of there. But then this is under here. So we have some Vim Power Shine. Love that stuff. This stuff is so awesome. It is the bar keeper. Takes rust out of everything. And this I used to dust some of our things, and Windex, and then Thieves Cleaner for the floors. And a Filler Rocher container. Love those. Holds the little rubber gloves. And then a magic eraser. And then some extra rags we just stick in there. And this can go anywhere they need to clean, or for me to clean, or whatever. Super easy. In this closet also, I keep my favorite vacuum. Oh, I love this vacuum. It is a Shark something. I have no idea, but it's a Shark. Love it. It came with like a hook, so it just hooks on the back there. And it's the best vacuum. My husband has to duct tape it because I refuse to get a new one. So I want this one again. And then my tall duster. Then the other head for the vacuum. And then there's a window cleaner. And then a mop and bucket. I absolutely love this mop. It is amazing for hardwood floors. And then I keep the vacuum attachments. Another hand duster. The floor Swiffer, and then our heat pads just on the door. It's super easy.